up, guys? It's your girl Stephanie, aka Natural Photographer. Oh, okay.
Oh God.
Now it's burning.
Guys, this is what I got. This is a camera stabilizer. What's up, guys? It's your girl Stephanie, aka Natural Photographer. How you guys doing? How you guys been? What's going on, my natural beauties? What's up, guys? It's your girl Stephanie, aka Natural Photographer. How you guys doing? How you guys been? Well, I am looking a little rough right now because I've been up, been doing like some housework, but I got something in the mail that I want to do an unboxing for you guys, and it came yesterday, but I was resting, I was relaxing, didn't want to do much, so it's just been sitting at my door. And if you guys can guess what it is, comment down below right now. Yeah. Try not to rush, cause I do have to get in the shower soon, cause me and my family are going to see a movie. What's that movie called? I don't even know what it's called. That's bad. But it has Ariana Grande in it. It's like the, oh my god, I got a brain fart. If y'all know what I'm talking about, it just came out. Comment down below, let me know what that movie's called, because I cannot think of it. Wicked! I just thought of it. I just thought of it. It's Wicked. Wicked. We're going to see Wicked at 5:30. So I wanted to come on here, do some unboxing video for you first, and that way when I get home from seeing the movie, then I can, you know, because I do have to do laundry, I'm gonna do, you know, wash some clothes and towels and my sheets and stuff like that. And I basically just gave it away, but yeah, I got my dryer, guys. I got my portable dryer, and when I tell you guys, this thing is tiny. It's not, I'm not gonna say tiny, but it's smaller than my portable washing machine, and it's only like 37 pounds, so it's not really that heavy. Yeah, so I want to do this unboxing video and show you guys how it looks, and we'll go from there. Alright, see you guys in a second. Alright guys, we're at a weird angle yet again because, like I said, y'all can't see my apartment yet. So we're back in the same area by the door where I did the unboxing video for my washing machine. Yes, I have a robe on. Leave me alone. This is every day. Like when I'm off work, I don't have clothes on unless I go somewhere. So I'm in my robe all the time. Leave me alone. No judgment. So first of all, you guys can see how tiny it is. Like the washing machine came like to make what right here, and see how much smaller it is than this. So this itself is the washing machine. It's from the brand Rovsun. I got it off Amazon. I will link everything that I got with everything I'm about to show you. I'll have the link down below if you want to go buy it or check it out or do your research. So yeah, this came separate than this, and this came separate from both of those. So I had ordered an outfit from Amazon as well, so this came with my outfit, so that's why it's not in a box, because it came with my outfit. Give me a second, let me go get some scissors and we'll pop this thing open and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got my scissors and we're ready to go. And yes, I already started putting up Christmas decorations. This is the only thing I've put up so far, so that's why you're seeing the garland right there, and you still, well, you can't see it, but I still have my Thanksgiving sign hanging up. So yeah, I'm trying my best to wait till after Thanksgiving to put everything up, but Christmas in me wants to put up everything now. So anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, these things right here, I got extra filters for the dryers. So yeah, just extra filters. I don't know how many comes in here. Does it say? It has 20 pieces, 20 filters in there. This right here in this box if I need that, but that's some foam right there. But this is what it looks like, and it is the silver aluminum part that, you know, you gotta put on dryers and stuff. I don't know what it's called, but I just got it, and the rings to like tighten it up and stuff like that. And then dryer vent kit, that's what it is. It's a dryer vent kit. You see that? Okay, so yeah, I don't want to lose anything, so I'll put all that back in there. Alright, I'm just showing you what was in that box, because this is what we really want to get into. So let me adjust this, come down just a little more. Okay, y'all like my pink pants and my black and white fuzzy socks? Alright. Okay, let me zoom in for you guys just a little bit. Okay. All right. Y'all know my worst enemy is styrofoam. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me scoot this a little bit. This is what it looks like when it comes packaged. You got the plug-in and I don't know what that is yet. I think you can mount this to the wall, so that might be what that is. So I can't throw that out just yet, because I think that's what it might be. It's like the mounting stuff. Oh my god, I hate that sound. Ugh. not to rip it like I did the other one, so this one's a little tougher. Oh my god. Really got this one packaged up good. Okay, here we go. Come on. Woo. Oh jeez. Come on. This is the toughest cardboard I ever had to deal with. Hey, yeah. Look at this. I'm standing on it and it's not budging. Oh my god. Almost did split. That was tough. That was tough. Okay. Give me a second. I need to catch my breath, y'all. Give me a second. Alright, guys. So let's finish opening this up. So as you can see, in the front, has some styrofoam to protect the front. Then it has these pieces on. Pieces on the sides. Sorry, downstairs neighbors. To protect the sides of it. So very good packaging. Very good packaging. Now just need to slide this puppy out of here. And so I can show you guys. I meant what I said. It's 37 pounds. Not that heavy. So if I can pick it up, you can pick it up. Unless you're a weakling. Okay. And they had styrofoam in the bottom. And now we just shoo all that away. Whew. Okay. So now to open it. You can hardly see it. It's so small. There we go. Whoa! Hold on, let me see if I can bring this down. Oh, that's a lot better. I'll move it over that way. Sorry guys, give me a second. Alright guys, that's the best I can do right here. Okay, so let's take this plastic off. the, I don't know if you can tell, but they have it taped, well not taped, but they have like it wrapped so the door won't come open. So let me cut that. And I got a little piece of wrap across there. Alright. Woohoo! So, when you open the door, I'm gonna have to sit down. Oh! Okay. Oh. Inside, you're gonna find your manual, and it has a little. It already comes with like a little vent thing for the back. And it has screws. So that thing that we saw at the beginning, that is like to mount it on the wall if you wanted to. So we have screws, which I might mount it on the wall because I would have to like sit on the ground every time to like, you know, but yeah. So this thing, it is really small. You can only put 10 pounds of clothes in here to dry at a time. It gets up to 140. Okay, I'm sorry, read. Okay, so inside, back here is where I know you can't really tell, I will take pictures and put them up as I'm talking. Back here is where your filter goes. Which way do you turn? Oh, I think it turns this way. Okay, so when it's in there, you're gonna turn it like towards me, so turn to the left and then you just twist it till it comes off, and that's how you would change your filter. So then you put it back in there. Hang on, guys. There we go. And you turn it to the right, and you'll hear it click. When it clicks, that means it's locked in place. So yeah. This right here is the touch screen panel, and I'll have, like I said, I'll have pictures up to show you guys of everything that was either that I took personally or that I got from Amazon. But I have to read the manual and everything and try it out and see how it works. Okay, this has like a tiny filter too, so you can take that out and clean it. So yeah, so that's good to know. Alright, sweet. So this is the cutest little dryer. Of course, this isn't the original dryer I was gonna go with. I was gonna go with like, I don't know if it was bigger than this one, but it definitely costs a lot more because I think it could dry more. But I actually think this will be just fine for me because I don't whew. Hold on, let me get you guys up to me. I don't wash my clothes, you know, I only wash it like for work days and stuff like that when I need work clothes. So yeah, I'm just gonna get off here and try to figure out how to hook everything up, how to mount it, and what time is it? Okay, still got time, so give me a little bit, guys, and I will be right back, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I've been working a little bit on this. So right now I got this part right here that came with the dryer, the little vent thing. I got it hooked to this, and I'll show you how far, this is as far as I went, and I was like, I should be recording this, but I know I don't have that much time left, so give me a second because I'm about to run out of time right now. Okay guys, sorry about that. Had to erase some stuff from my memory card. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do the rest of this because I don't want to. Why is it saying I have, oh, never mind. Okay, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you the rest how I'm doing this. So let me get this set up to where y'all can see me and see what I'm doing. Y'all see what my Thanksgiving sign? Y'all see that? I'll put it right there, just so y'all can see. Okay. So, reading the instructions and everything, I found out this piece was inside of here. So, it's two separate pieces. This has like the foam part on it. That's what this is. This is like an extra piece. And basically, what I'm supposed to do is, y'all, I'm gonna tell the God honest truth. When I bought this dryer, you know how you scroll down a little bit and say people buy this, this, and this with it? I just bought all three things. So I didn't, you know. So that's why I'm like, what is this? What is it? Because I didn't look, I didn't research. So yeah. So step one, I'm supposed to. I skipped step one because I wanted to get this attached. But I'm supposed to fill this bucket with water, 14 ounces of water. That's, I gotta fill this bucket up with. Then I'm supposed to attach this to this, which I've done already, and then I'm about to attach it, the other end, to this. And then once I get the water filled, then this snaps into place here. And basically, all it does is when it's drying, all, you know, I guess all the lint, I guess, and stuff like that will collect into the bucket instead of going elsewhere. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And also I found out this these little mounting things, you can't mount it unless you have to buy your own piece of plywood to like attach to that, to attach those two, to mount it. And I'm not doing that, so I'll just be kneeling to like dry my things. So, and if y'all wonder why I keep clutching like I'm like clutching my pearls. I don't need y'all seeing all my goodies, so yeah, leave me alone. Don't judge. Okay, now I'm gonna attach this other end here, but first I'm gonna put this back over here. And how you do that? Let me see if I can turn it so you can see. Okay, so you want to start with it right here, like facing towards you, like this, because you gotta turn it that way. So, okay, so this makes no sense, but it makes sense to me. It makes sense in my head. Okay, so the notches, the ones with the notches, are the ones that get attached to this. So you're gonna turn it towards you, and then, which is to the left, and then you're gonna turn it to the right so it gets snapped into those notches, and then it doesn't come out. Okay, so now I'm gonna attach this other end to this, and let me tell you, this was the most difficult thing to do, to try to attach that piece to there, because it don't really, you have to like force it because it's not wide enough. But yeah, so I might have to speed this part up, maybe not, but you want to be kind of gentle and kind of like, nope. Need like somebody else to like push in. Okay. I just have this one little area that I need to like get over it. Alright. Lord, give me the strength in my hands. In Jesus' name. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get, guys. So let me tighten this thing up before I lose it. So, now the hard part is over. Let's fill this up. It's at 14 ounces. Right? Yep, 14 ounces. Give me just a second, guys. Alright, guys. I got my cup, and in case y'all didn't know what 14 ounces is, 14 ounces is 1 3/4 cup. I don't know if y'all can't even see that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in. There we go. And to attach this. Oh, I have to attach it. touch this stupid thing. I could like go like that. There we go. There we go. It don't snap in. You just have to place it on top. Okay. And you're supposed to have it sitting down at a level spot. So, like so. And these can actually it has a mounting clip, so they didn't send any. These came with those, so they didn't send any screws or anything with the mounting clip, but it has a mounting clip. So yeah, that is all for now, y'all. Cause like I said, I got to get ready to go to a movie. So when I get back, I can do some washing and show you how the dryer works. And after that, ooh, red battery. After that, y'all be able to get a apartment tour, finally. Because that is the last thing I was waiting on, was my dryer. So everything will be complete. So, alright guys. I gotta get ready for my movie. We'll see y'all in a few hours. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And then when we come back, we will get the whole review. So, see you in a little bit. For y'all, it'll be like this. For me, it'll be a few hours. So, I love you guys, and see you in a bit.
Let it go.